This is Shelley Neese from the Jerusalem Connection. I am a Christian and I am a Zionist, but it has taken me years of being both to realize that I'm a Christian Zionist, even though I consider myself a strong Christian and a committed lover of Israel. Just out of college, I was leery of calling myself a Christian Zionist. My definition of a Christian Zionist was unclear and muddled by stereotypes I had absorbed over time. Where I got those stereotypes is no mystery. Anytime you hear interviews in mainstream media with prominent Christian Zionist leaders, certain questions are guaranteed to come up. Tell us why evangelicals are so eager for the apocalypse. Is church support for Israel merely a tool to convert the Jews? Or do Christian Zionists only support Israel to realize the scenario of Armageddon? The answers to these questions rarely matter. The question itself attempts to unmask alleged conspiracies of Christian Zionism and expose ambiguities in the alliance between pro-Israel Christians and Jews. To outsiders, Jews and Christians seem strange political bedfellows. Jews, traditional loyalists of the left and persecuted by the church. Evangelical Christians, the conservative base of the right and tainted by a persecutor's history. Jews who believe the Messiah has not yet come, and Christians who believe the Messiah came once and will come again. Skeptics of the Jewish-Christian alliance assume the worst motives from both parties to explain away the relationship. They say Christian Zionists support Israel to speed Armageddon and the return of Christ. They say Jews use Christian Zionists just to further their pro-Israel aims. I am not one to hold judgment here. If I had so many misconceptions about Christian Zionism, I expect others to as well. Therefore, I consider it my duty to assure the skeptics that Christian Zionists have no ulterior motives. We are not conspiring to push Israel towards its doom. And we are not scheming about mass conversions. Instead, here are the real motives of Christian Zionism, the three biggies: repentance, thankfulness, and obedience. Repentance for Christianity's long history of persecuting Jews. Thankfulness to the Jewish people for Christianity's spiritual inheritance. And obedience to the biblical command to bless Israel. These three tenets best expose what I call the Jewish heart of Christian Zionists. Over the next 3 weeks, I intend to discuss each one. So stay tuned to your weekly Spot Report videos. Shavua Tov.